Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As most of you are not subscribed, leave a comment and click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okie dokie, we have Honey Chipotle Salsa, and it's really easy to do. All right, in a food processor, as you can see, I've added about 2 to 3 chipotle peppers. You can add more depending on the heat you like. I diced up I quartered up an onion, added 1/4 of said onion, and it was about a medium onion for size. Then I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves that have been minced. And, of course, a cup of cilantro that I didn't really chop. I just kind of chopped the stems off and maybe gave one final chop and just chucked it in there. And then, of course, the juice of 1 lime. And then you're just going to want to pulse this or grind this until you might have to scrape it down once or twice. You just want to make sure all these big chunks are, kind of made small like that. And then you want to add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. If you can't find it, tomato sauce would probably work fine, although I would probably go with whole peeled tomatoes at that point. And then you just want to spin this for about 20 seconds. And that's pretty much it for the salsa. Taste to adjust seasonings, and we should be good to go. Oh, and the seasonings are salt and pepper, of course. And then I just poured this into a 32-ounce deli container. And that's pretty much it. This will last in the fridge for a couple of weeks. Perfect for any game day. Perfect for, pretty much anything. Salsa burgers or nachos. So that's Honey Chipotle Salsa. Done.